the Hong Kong paddle club making a very good start. 係啦，似乎咧第5隊咧係有一個好好嘅開始嘅噃。But holding them on the outside on their left shoulders, we have the Hong Kong Institute of Marketing. 係啦，咁然後咧第6隊咧亦都係開始嚟緊嘅啦，咁就係香港事務學會嘅。
看起來呢，第5線跟第6線現在的真的很快的樣子哦。
係啦，咁我哋嚟睇下第8隊先，第8隊似乎都幾犀利咁喎，迎頭趕上喎。So it's lane 5, the Hong Kong Island paddle clubs, they're coming up at the quarter marker. And probably then it's back to lane 2, the Fair Dinkum Groomers. 好啦，咁呢2同埋係啦，第2隊火的龍混合 B 咧，似乎都上緊嚟嘅嘞噃。
簡直係叮當碼頭啊！而家有龍頭添啊！
係，但係而家仍然係第2隊廣東龍商會 A 咧，亦都係有不錯嘅成績咁㗎。Is there any female paddlers in there? Oh yes, all these crews have got a mixed. These are a mixed championship. That means in a crew of 18, there must be at least 8 lady paddlers. To 10 men. 原來係好得意㗎，係啊，咁原來咧由於呢個係一個混合嘅賽事咧，所以咧喺每隊 team。We've got one paddler in the water now. I don't know which boat he came out of, but somebody was waiting to help. One of the kayaks is going to be with him pretty shortly, I'm sure. 係啊，咁有一位健兒咧就唔小心落咗水啦，咁係啦，我哋嘅請人員咧就會盡快咁樣拯救佢嘅。So the Hong Kong Island paddle club here, a very impressive race. They're already clear water ahead of their newest competition, which are the CPL Power Mixed.
跌個龍頭跌咗落水喎！
混合嘅龍舟賽事啦，咁所以咧喺呢個參賽隊入邊咧都係有男嘅女嘅。
冇撚咗龍頭。
不過咧，我見到平時有啲朋友咧就會咧就係中意用呢一個嘅隊鼓手喎，唔知係咪就係咧我